Look at all this. Oh. And lots over here. What the guns? I'm gonna take some selfies. You can. There's a machine here. Look at the camera, and after you can choose the style you like, and it gives you like something like here. You can become a pilot. Wear the China costume. You can be a warrior. It's about the food in Sichuan. I decided to watch a live show about the face changing opera in Kwanzaa Alley tonight or tomorrow. Greetings from Chengdu, China. Today I'm going to explore the Chengdu Museum. So let's go. This will be the downtown of Chengdu. It's a very big museum. For foreigners, it's free. All you need to do is show a passport. A very nice and big museum. And this is just outside. Some souvenirs and this official entry. Look at all these exhibits. At level 4 now, there are 2 exhibition halls, hall 5 and 6. Very lifelike. Subscribe and enjoy the video so far. Leave a like so you can find it. Thanks very much. In level 5 now, there's a puppetry show exhibition. 布袋戏 glove puppetry. They're really like human-like. And right here, the Chinese shadow play. There's a big book here. The last exhibition hall, number 9. Men and nature. Oh, I like this. The animals look like a zoo now. Wild Africa. Look at the lions, the deers. Wow. And zebras. Elephants. This is amazing. Now this place reminds me of the zoo, which I'm really keen to explore. I visited the Chengdu Zoo one time. Lots of monkey there and other animals. And I'm going to visit the panda sanctuary. Chengdu is most famous for their pandas. And look at this, the spheres. Oh, wow. You'll be afraid if you come here at night. But just joking, because at night they don't open. Maybe I like animals. I find here is the best exhibit area. Hey, there's something in the corner. Run domestication. The red pandas, giant panda. Before the exit, there's a shop selling a lot of panda stuff here. This exhibition, every of civilization actually paid entry, so you just look at it from here. There's a nice temple here you can actually visit or take some photos just beside the museum.